Where were you for Mazda Meets 2025?
It's a little short one, but this is pretty much the rev out right here.
There's actually some pretty cool cars here.
There are some pretty cool cars here.
Say that again. Amen for that.
There's cars I haven't seen. No, bro. No, bro. I brought you cold beer, okay? No more. No.
Say less.
He didn't even. You see, look, he didn't even say. Guy didn't even say. The guy.
You didn't say thank you?
The guy didn't even say thank you. I come in here walking up here in the cooler. Didn't even say thank you or anything. He didn't say thank you or anything.
Bring the shut up.
Exactly. See, look, get him money.
Beer money. Beer money.
Bear money, bro.
Beer
That's actually the way it should have been all day, bro. I was
Yeah.
buckets. I ain't gonna lie before.
If that rained,
It was hot. You got some early RX-8s here. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, Adam.
that's the
This
2008.
is the.
That's the very first
This is
one.
the front lip that I like.
It takes the smile
I don't
out
like
of
the
it.
late. Is this weird that I don't like the later model?
It's not weird at all.
I prefer like just the front of the early, just the lines are sharp. The new ones, I can't do the front. I can't do the front. Just looks so much better.
That V?
It's like I think that's the shape of a rotor, I think. That's the car, bro. What a coincidence.
Saw it on the highway earlier this morning. You heard that, folks?
This kind of tripped me out for a second. It's like 3/4 RX-7 almost. If you look at it first, you're like, no, that's not an RX-7.
It's not
It's
an
like an
RX-7,
RX-8.
but it looks like an RX-7.
Yeah.
Hear that, folks? There's a car that got kicked out of here. It's only Mazda Meet
What
Mini.
is this, a 323? Adam, what is this? A 323?
This is.
I think it's 323, like an old one. Yeah, it's a 323.
It's a 323.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, this is nice. Look at this. Yeah, I think it was a 323 with a
626
66.
Chronos.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
This is a rare one.
This is a Peugeot sedan. Oh, sedans. I don't think this is a Speed 3, but he's got the Speed 3 Aero, which is like side skirts.
Are those on the lights?
No,
Oh.
those are stock.
Stock
Yeah,
lights?
they're the stock lights. Yeah.
Oh wow. Thought those were on.
These
lights.
are underrated, but like they all rusted away, unfortunately.
And then,
And then you have this one.
sorry. What are you guys? What are these? MX3s.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
wow. What year?
Mine's a 93.
93. Okay. Very nice.
Old school.
Very old school.
It's good and it's bad.
Yes.
So it's bad because parts.
Yes.
Can't go to a corner store and buy parts for it.
No, you cannot.
No,
Yeah, that's
not
the
at all.
You gotta find the source.
Or another car.
And that too. Or another car. There you go.
Park car or whatever. It's all good, though.
This is all you, the MX6.
The MX.
It's a lot bigger in person. I
told
thought it would
you.
have been smaller. It's actually,
So-
like if you look at the RX-7,
Wait, what?
I used to think these were small. I haven't seen one in years.
I
Yeah,
told them
I haven't seen one in years, so I totally forgot how it looked.
there wasn't a lot of these. I grew up with a guy who had one of these. I didn't know much about it, and then he told me it was actually it was a car they made, and then it disappeared.
I'm telling you already, mine is smaller than that.
Sorry.
Really? It looks larger.
Wow.
Because it's off the ground like a ton. Come to the side, and you see what I mean.
Oh,
If I
okay.
lower mine is as much as his, mine would be low.
So it
Because these cars, I sit on the floor, like pretty much. Yeah, definitely that.
Trying to hear this thing.
let's hear it.
Yeah, turn it up, fire
Let's
it
hear
up, bro. The camera's rolling. So clean. I love the color.
Because I have my cat and I have my Mazda.
Oh, look at that. Antenna comes with too. Oh, there we go. There we go.
That Purtle.
That shit is clean.
I got my kill switch on.
That sounds good.
That's what it is.
It's nice and deep.
Let it warm up. Let it warm up.
It's nice and deep.
Yeah, I want to hear it. I want to hear it. 5,000 RPM. I want to hear it.
Interior, I'm going to be changing it fully
Black?
black with bronze. So this would be bronze, this would be black.
I've actually never seen a tan interior for this one, interestingly.
I'm going to be the first person to ever do it. I'm going to be the first ever person to modify the interior of this vehicle. Nobody has
So
ever
good, like your door cards and everything.
Yes.
It's in good shape.
My uncle.
I don't know why you like this car, bro.
It's wide. You guys are hearing that, right? Damn, bro. Jeez. That was sick, bro. That was sick.
That was good, bro.
Damn.
That shit was
This is a moneymaker, bro. This is crazy.
good. This is legit the rarest car here.
It is.
This
Because
is the
like
rarest car here.
There is a reason why
they
I was
don't.
invited
I
as a
saw
driver
this car
with my Mazda.
when I was younger,
didn't- you know how
and
you
I
guys-
haven't seen it again.
Yes,
This is the second
Same.
time I've seen it. in my
Literally,
life.
I've seen it when I was a little kid growing up, and then they all just disappeared.
I was
Never seen
trying
one
to tell
again.
people, oh, there's an MX-6. They're like, no.
I've
There's
seen-
no such thing as MX-6.
I've seen these, but they were usually like beat.
There's MX-6s. No one wanted to believe me, and now
I didn't even know anything
that
about
the
this.
MX-6 exists.
I didn't even know anything about this shit.
I taught my buddy about
This is
that.
crazy.
He has what do you call that? Z 370 Z spokes on the. Oh, it's his car.
It's very clean.
Yeah.
Super clean.
This is done.
There's so much room because rotaries are small. There's like a lot of room to do a whole bunch of stuff.
Yo.
He's not even on. It's him.
Yeah, I swear, I thought this car
thought
was
he was
on.
on.
Yeah,
It's him.
I thought this car was on. I didn't know it was this car. Say word. Sounds good. But I seriously thought this. I thought this car was on. I thought this car was on.
Bro, I'd kill that.
If you show him that,
Which
he'll
one?
cry.
What?
Yeah, bro.
That's one of his favorite cars.
He's gonna go crazy.
In a
What?
fucking
Let me
real
see.
Oh my
Cobra.
lord.
Is it real?
Like a Daytona.
I feel like he might have did that on purpose.
Probably did. It's like a real car.
More money than for him.
Probably.
You heard that.
The comment section
Yeah.
on Instagram is undefeated.
Probably.
Man, you hopping.
What got you into Mazdas?
Me, it was my first car. I had a Mazda Protege. Yeah. It was a boring car.
You go slow,
but
you just jump in.
I just jumped right into it. Just jump right into it, bro. Oh, I just realized that.
The more you know.
That's so cute.
I used to have one just like that when I was younger.
He is just a baby.
Yeah, beautiful. It looks just like my dog Lexus when I was
Yeah.
younger.
The Zeus.
Yeah. Beautiful dog.
Yeah, he's so calm.
You hear all this repping, everybody.
I'm running Steven. Hey.
5,000.
Two-step in.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Money shift.
Oh shit!
Oh, I thought it was this guy.
Yo, cut that, bro.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Warm it up. Warm it up.
That's actually not too bad. Like, pretty nice.
I'm trying to make sure it's on.
Just making sure it's on.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Yes.
It's a hybrid, bro.
No.
Hybrid.
I
Sounds like everybody's exiting a little bit.
Everyone's
early.
about to leave. Yeah. Where's JJ? Yeah, let's go this way.
Look at it's the RB.
Let's hear it is. Let's hear this,
power.
guys.
Fuck yeah! So you hear that, guys? Ready for a smoke show?
All right, guys, that looks like this show is over. That's a wrap.
That's the show, you know.
It was
2025.
It was pretty short, but you know what? It was worth it.
Here is.
Yeah, as you can see here, we're just a bunch of 30-year-olds acting like kids, but I guess that's just typical for car meets and how they go. Unfortunately, I did not film an outro for this, but if you guys made it this far into the video, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.